So we're going to bring up two people who pretty much put in hours of time, put in hours of brain power, continuously try to improve this event. They are the founders of this event, but more importantly, as Eddie just said, one of them is fighting every single day for her life. Jen and Dave, come on up here.
Created this event 5 years ago. I've been dealing with cancer for 6 years now, and this past year was by far the hardest. I had 2 major abdominal surgeries and had to try over 5 different types of chemotherapy until we recently found one that seems to be working. And what I often say to people is that it's hard enough to be diagnosed with cancer, but then to be told you have a rare cancer and there are not many options is really scary. And so when we created this event, it was to help all of us who have rare cancers, less known forms of the disease, find more treatment options and to provide more hope. And what's fantastic is with the help of people like you, we have been able to do that. To date, we have funded over 13 clinical trials. And with the money we're about to present, I can't wait to see how much more we can do. So thank you, everyone. And the best way to grow events like this are word of mouth. And last year we went to Chicago for the first time. We had 100 bikes just like we did here. And we said to everyone, everyone goes home and brings one more team next year, we'll be able to double the size. And that's exactly what we were able to do in Chicago last week. We had 200 bikes riding. We raised over twice the amount of money. So I asked Long Island, will you help us do that next year? Best part. What I'd love to do is bring up anyone who's been affected by cancer, a patient, a survivor, a caregiver. Please come on up here, along with anyone who works for Memorial Sloan Kettering. This is the check ceremony, and it's not just us presenting it, it's all of us who are affected by it. Come on up, please, come on up. I don't want to call you out. Come on up. If you've been affected by cancer, if you're a survivor, if you work for Sloan Kettering, I know there are nurses here, there are technicians, there are doctors, phlebotomists. Come on up. I'd like to introduce Dr. Richard Carbajal from Memorial Sloan Kettering. Is this number true?
It is true.
We didn't have a typo or something? Unbelievable. Dr. Carbajal, on behalf of everyone here today and Cycle for Survival, we would like to present this check to you for $4.1 million.
I'm kind of speechless. Thank you guys. This is just beyond anything we could have expected. You know, I see a lot of amazing things every day in clinic. I'm inspired all the time by the people I meet, by the friends and family members I see in clinic supporting their loved ones as they battle cancer, to see the patients just bravely go through chemotherapy and treatment after treatment. And that is you know, what really keeps me going. But see you guys here today. You guys, this is over the top. You guys are unbelievable. Thank you so much. So $4.1 million for rare cancer research. This is so important. The rare cancers that we're trying to defeat here, although we call them rare, these are things that affect all of us or affect people that we know. These are things like pancreas cancer, stomach cancer, leukemia, lymphoma, brain cancer, sarcoma. These are things that affect all of our lives, and they don't get the attention that they really deserve. support from the pharmaceutical companies. And this money is going to go directly to helping to find new treatments and ultimately a cure for all of these cancers. So thank you very much.